We are off to...
Secret Agent Bean, Randy Beans is losing his mind.
We are off to Global Fest today.
Global Fest finale.
Never been, so we don't know if we like it or not, but...
We're gonna go watch fireworks either way.
He's like, what is this? Sorcery.
He tried to get close and this thing hit him in the face and it scared him.
He's really hesitant.
He's pulling a Pepe the first time he met a rock. You remember that?
It's looking a little rainy. Well, actually, it's not rainy right here, but it was pouring. It probably is going to pour. Should have brought my GoPro, apparently.
Yeah,
We made it, and it's not raining yet, and we got front row seats. We actually have no idea where the fireworks are, so
we think we have fun.
we think it's front row seats. We got pierogies from the Ukrainian pavilion.
Called the pavilion?
I don't know, that's what they're called at Epcot.
I don't know what Epcot is. These forks are weird. Look at that fork. Look at that.
I spilled.
Explain the angle.
I'm spilling everywhere.
Explain the angle of this fork to me. Internet.
Maybe it's
Do
like
so in the comment section.
No, it's it's a compost.
Okay, but does that explain the bend?
Double rainbow. It's kind of peaceful by the water. And then it's like chaos up there. And we got a mariachi band.
So it must be the VIP seats, and they're all pointing this way, so I think we're actually in a pretty good spot.
Hey, we got all the snacks. Mini donuts. Kettle corn. Blue lemonade.
It's electric blue, Chantal.
Electric blue. Can I try it? You said I could try it.
You said you didn't want one.
I just said I wanted to try it.
It seems like you wanted popcorn, but you're drinking my lemonade and
Oh, that's amazing. That's good, hey?
It's electrically delicious.
Looking a little ominous over there. And over there. But right here, not bad.
a red
Okay, what did you think of Global Fest?
I thought it was really cool.
It was the actual fireworks were quite good, right?
Can I not turn right here?